It's Friday and your paycheck just landed. You feel a little lighter. You swing by the mall just to look, try on the shoes you've wanted, meet friends at that new place everyone keeps posting about, and grab movie tickets because it's been a long week and you earned this. Saturday drifts into brunch, a small gift for someone you love, and a rideshare home because it's raining. None of it feels reckless. It feels normal. It feels like life. Then Sunday night arrives and the house is quiet. You open the banking app and stare at the number. $87 left. Rent hits on Tuesday. Your chest tightens. You tell your kid, maybe next week. You tell your partner, let's skip date night. Lying in bed, you whisper, next month I'll be better. Next month shows up, and the same week plays again. This isn't just money. It's safety. It's sleep. It's pride. It's the thin line between I'll handle it and I hope it works out. You're not alone. A recent survey says about 57% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. That's most people. At the same time, credit card balances are near a record, about $1.21 trillion, which means interest is chewing through a lot of paychecks before families ever see the cash. There's a simple reason this keeps happening. Our brains love now because now is loud and sweet, while later is quiet and far away. Apps and stores make now easy on purpose. One tap, one swipe, one tiny yes that doesn't hurt much by itself. Payday shows a big number and your guard drops. Bills show up when you're tired and willpower is low. So you spend first and promise to save later, but later doesn't tap you on the shoulder. Later stays silent and the week wins. So how do you actually save money when life keeps asking? You flip the order. You save first and spend what's left. That's it. No giant spreadsheet, no strict diet for your life. Just one small switch on payday called Pay Yourself First. Here's what it looks like in real life. Open a second bank account. Any free savings account will do. Give it a name that matters to you. Something like Dreams or Don't Touch. Set an automatic transfer for payday so the money moves by itself before you see it sitting there. Start small so it fits. Maybe $20 this payday, then $40, then $60. When you can, aim for 10% of your take-home pay. After that, live on what remains in your main account. You don't try to save at the end of the week. You already did it at the start, and future you got paid. Let me show you how this plays out. Sam cuts hair on Main Street and takes home about $1,200 on a busy Friday. He sets his bank to move $40 into Dreams the moment the deposit lands. The next week, he nudges it to $60. The week after, $80. He doesn't feel rich, but he notices something new. At the end of the month, there's $180 in Dreams, and he didn't need a spreadsheet to get it there. On Monday, a small orange light appears on his dashboard. Brakes. Old Sam would have felt that cold rush. Calls to friends. Can you give me a ride? And maybe I can wait a week. New Sam opens Dreams, uses $60 to help with the repair that day, and still has $120 left for the next thing life throws at him. In month 2, he ends with $260 saved. He buys flowers, takes his girl for burgers, and pays cash without scanning every line on the receipt. He doesn't feel lucky. He feels ready. That I can handle it feeling is what saving is really for. This is not about saying no forever. It's about a bigger yes. Yes to fixing the car the same day. Yes to date night without counting the lines on the bill. Yes to school shoes that don't hurt little feet. Yes to helping your mom on her birthday. Yes to you sleeping heavy and calm because the bills are handled. Saving is not punishment. Saving is freedom. So here's your 1-week plan. Today, open the second account and name it. Set the auto move for your next payday. $20, $50, or 10% if it fits. Then write down 3 real wins your saved money will buy soon and set that list as your phone lock screen. This week, keep receipts or snap a photo of each purchase, just for 7 days. At night, add them up. If the total felt okay, raise your auto move by $10 next payday. If it felt tight, hold the number where it is and try again next week. No shame, just one small turn of the dial at a time. If you're thinking, I don't make enough, remember the goal is the habit. Start with $20. You can grow the number later. If debt is the loudest thing in your life, build a small safety first, $500 to $1,000. so emergencies don't push you back to the card. Then keep a trickle going to savings while you attack the highest interest debt. And when an emergency hits, use the dreams account. Fix the problem fast and refill it on payday. That isn't failure. That's the plan doing its job. Now picture 3 months from today. You walk into the shop and pay cash without a knot in your stomach. The bill is on time. The car is safe. Your kid runs in shoes that fit and doesn't have to wait one more week. You take your partner out and you're looking at their face, not at the price line. You breathe a little deeper on Sunday night because the number in your savings is not zero anymore. That quiet, steady pride you feel, that's wealth. Not a lottery moment, just the calm of someone who can say yes when life calls. Before you go, hear this. Leaks won't stop by themselves, and the next tiny fix could save you real money in minutes. I share one simple step every week so your paychecks last longer and your life gets easier. If you don't want to miss the next win, subscribe now and let it find you first. So you're the person who acts early, keeps more, and sleeps heavy. Join us and master money one easy step at a time.